Oh, it's a fucking lovely day. Just sit by myself and drink some Newcastle brown ale. Oh, it's the lifeblood. Oh shit, I forgot there's other people here. Like, I'm fucking sick of the bullshit. It's making me fucking sinuses act up.
Oh,
Oh, that was a weird shit. Oh, is that what my voice sounds like? Oh, well, I never. If I can hear mine, I wonder what other people sound like.
I can't believe I won the lottery. Well, I didn't win the lottery. I put the lottery on. But yeah.
Why
well,
do
I
we
didn't
invite
put the
him?
lottery
He's
on.
always fucking
I had my
boring.
lottery ticket stolen. Right, I was just there working, and like these two blokes.
Oh, who's next?
You can't believe my wife's made me drink juice boxes since I started spilling my
Why
coffee
does
on
he
that
wear a
crime
fucking
scene
helmet?
show.
He's not even riding a
Flipping
bike.
heck. Oh, I do like a good orange juice, mind. But, you know...
Oh, who's next?
I definitely need something to fill that gap. I'm thinking
fuck's sake,
I'm
not
gonna
her
need a
again.
bigger one. Now,
Attack me with your
Dawn's got a
voice.
pink
I'm gonna
one,
attack
she
you with it.
swears by it, but I reckon I'm gonna go with black. Yeah.
Stop
I think that'd be
talking.
better.
Oh, who's next?
Alright, mate.
Oh, I sure do hope that Mother has brought some caviar from Waitrose.
You're fucking
Unless she's
southern.
brought lobster.
Oh,
That's
Christ, I
classy
always
food.
knew you were one of them.
Better be the best champagne. Maybe she's wrestling with the tennis coach again.
Oh, who's next? Oh, who's next?
Yuki proud, Yuki proud, Yuki proud, Yuki proud, Yuki proud.
It's a lovely dance, but I'll give you a
proud,
7 out of 10 for the lyrics, man.
Yuki proud, Yuki proud.
Oh, I can't hear anyone else now. I wonder. If I could hear my own thoughts, I wondered what I'd be thinking about. 2 eggs on a lampshade.